Smart home automation allows individuals to live comfortably and safely independently by using various technology devices with the use of voice control, access to environment, to the climate, to lights, and also to monitor movement and falls within the environment, especially those who live independently and alone. And this can be triggered to healthcare professionals and carers, and so provide safe environments for individuals to live successfully independently. They allow for easy access to the home and secure access with the use of voice, fingerprint, biometrics into the environment, and therefore increase the safety and without having to have keys. It also helps in the use of voice and movements to detect any untoward events, and this can alert emergencies centers, family members, or healthcare professionals. And it also provides significant convenience for those who have mobility issues to be able to do the various activities of daily living within the home through this automation. The key components include smart devices that are internet connected. This could be the lamp, the air conditioning, the lights in the house, the fridge, even the heaters, and all these can be controlled through the smart devices and including voice integration. A central hub helps to integrate and manage all these devices, and usually through voice commands, and makes this easier. The secure network ensures that this data is encrypted, ensure that there's no breach, and that the security is always maintained. This can also be accessed remotely so that people can travel and still keep an eye on their homes, especially with video monitoring. You can see the situation of the house and even monitor pets at home. Voice control is a very useful component of this automation because of the some of the elderly may have difficulty in using keypads and tapping on screens. So voice commands makes it convenient, and especially for those who are visually challenged, this becomes a useful tool, and especially for them who are having difficulty in mobility. And the appearance of home assistants, these are robotics that can help with the day-to-day activities of the home, are now feasible and affordable for some. Though they are quite expensive, they can play play a significant role in the household chores. The virtual assistant, the use of generative AI can be a useful tool as companion, as as companions and conversationalists to help engage the cognition of the individuals who are alone at home. These hands-free operations with voice activation again is useful, especially with those who have disabilities with their upper limb and may have difficulty in the use of handheld devices. Automated lighting and climate control is a very useful part of home automation, and these are now quite affordable with smart lighting, and it also can change the colors and mood, and it's very useful to set the ambience to help with the individual's mood. The temperature setting again is controllable, and these are very efficient, and by the use of these technology can also have energy efficiency, which has a significant impact on the economy. As these individuals are retired, and any form of saving, it becomes useful for their finances. The other thing is the ability to incorporate various security and safety features within these automated systems for the home. This can be surveillance to help make sure that the house can be monitored, especially those living alone, family members and carers can monitor their state and detect any medical or physical emergency, like in the case of the smoke detection, the use of fall detection. These are useful, and the use of AI can ensure that the lack of motion from one room to the other could be that a person may have fallen and be unconscious, then these AI systems can then alert caregivers of the emergency. It also is useful for access control so that strangers do not enter, provide security with the use of face recognition so as to ensure that only certain recognized individuals have access to the home. This is also very useful for disaster response. It can detect any form of fires and help to the individuals to do the necessary in terms of evacuation and various safety measures. The integration of smart home devices is very useful as it allows for customization and scalability. It also allows for the remote monitoring by carers, and this trend towards compatibility ensures that various devices can be integrated seamlessly and making it a much hassle-free experience for the user. So technology and home automation is going to empower living alone for these individuals who are retired, allow for autonomy. It allows for their continued growth in terms of their personal development and their security. And these are now available in various comprehensive solutions by uh, um, uh, various individuals, and therefore it is useful to understand in the local context who are the available solution providers.